The tree frog. See, you can even hold it upside down.
Oh, he hopped down.
Yeah, he hopped down. The rest of these can't climb. Do you see how they're different than the other ones? See how one of these is different than this one? See how they're different?
Oh, I do see. Oh, look, he hopped into the book.
He wants to see if the other frogs are like him. Ah, he is so happy. And you can feel the suction cups too.
Did you check the table of contents to see if you can figure out what they eat?
Let's see. Table of contents.
Is where? Where in the book do you find that?
At the front.
Mm-hmm.
This book has like 1,000 pages of content.
Well, they're all divided by the type of frog. So do you want to start with the toads?
274. I see 142.
So that's less than 274. So you still got to go a whole bunch of pages.
274. Do we pass it?
What number are you at?
166.
Nope.
274. It says a frog. I don't know what this says, but it says frogs and toads family. Something. Wait a second. Oh! These ones are not fully grown-ups like that one. And that one looks like it has stick feet. And these ones don't.